What if I told you the next leap in artificial intelligence just happened? Forget incremental updates. We're talking about a model family so advanced it's already being called the world's best coding model and is designed to power truly autonomous AI agents. That's right, the wait is over. Anthropic has just unleashed Claude 4, and specifically, we're looking at the powerhouse duo, Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4. If you're in the AI space, a developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about how AI is about to fundamentally change everything, you need to know about this. Stay tuned, because we're diving deep into what makes Claude 4 a genuine game changer. Welcome back. So, Claude 4. For months, the AI community has been buzzing with anticipation, and Anthropic hasn't disappointed. This isn't just Claude 3 whatever. This is a significant architectural evolution. First, let's clarify. When we say Claude 4, we're primarily talking about two new flagship models announced by Anthropic. Claude Opus 4, this is the star of the show, the most intelligent and powerful model Anthropic has ever produced. Think of it as your brilliant, detail-oriented collaborator, designed for the most complex tasks. We're talking about state-of-the-art performance in areas like advanced reasoning, coding across entire projects, in-depth research, and even creative content generation in natural prose. Anthropic themselves are claiming it's the world's best coding model. Big words, but the initial benchmarks are backing them up. Claude Sonnet 4. This model is the workhorse. It's engineered for speed and efficiency, offering a perfect blend of quick thinking and practical intelligence. It's a significant upgrade from previous Sonnet versions and is ideal for high-volume tasks, powering AI assistants, code reviews, bug fixes, and near real-time applications. It's fast, reliable, and cost-effective for everyday AI integration. A key innovation across both models is something Anthropic calls hybrid reasoning. This is fascinating. It means these models can switch between two modes, delivering near-instant responses when speed is critical and engaging in extended thinking for problems that require deeper, multi-step reasoning and planning. Imagine an AI that knows when to give a quick answer and when to say, okay, let me really think about this one. So what makes Claude 4 stand out from the crowd, including formidable competitors like GPT-4 and beyond? Unmatched coding prowess. This is a recurring theme. Claude Opus 4 is reportedly excelling on complex software engineering benchmarks like SWE-bench. It can handle long-running coding tasks, refactor large code bases, manage full-spec architectures, and even power agentic systems that break down high-level development goals into executable steps. Example, Rakuten, a major tech company, validated Opus 4 by having it independently refactor an open-source project for 7 hours with sustained performance. That's not just generating snippets, that's engineering. Advanced reasoning and problem solving. Both Opus 4 and Sonnet 4 demonstrate significant improvements in tackling complex problems that require deep understanding and logical deduction. This is crucial for tasks like financial analysis, scientific research, and strategic decision-making. Example, financial services could use Opus 4 for agentic search and research, connecting to vast market reports to derive comprehensive industry insights autonomously. Sophisticated AI agents, a major design goal for Claude 4 is to power more capable, autonomous AI agents. These aren't just chatbots, these are AI systems that can perform multi-step workflows across thousands of steps with minimal oversight. Think of agents that can plan, execute, and adapt to achieve complex objectives. Example, an AI agent powered by Opus 4 could potentially manage an entire multi-channel marketing campaign, from initial planning and content creation to deployment and performance analysis. Improved instruction following and precision, Claude Sonnet 4 in particular is highlighted for responding more precisely to instructions, making it more reliable for targeted tasks. Enhanced memory and context handling. With access to local files, Claude Opus 4 can create and maintain memory files to store key information, improving continuity and building tacit knowledge over time. This is huge for long-running interactions and complex project management. Example, Anthropic showcased Opus 4 taking notes while playing Pokemon when given access to local files, demonstrating its ability to learn and recall information within a specific context. Parallel tool use. The new models can use tools in parallel and more effectively, allowing them to gather information and act on the world more efficiently. This isn't just about benchmarks, it's about real-world applications. Where will we see Claude 4 making a difference? Software development. From individual developers getting supercharged assistance to entire teams accelerating project timelines from weeks to hours, this is transformative. Think AI-powered pair programmers, automated debugging, and even AI project leads. Scientific research, analyzing vast data sets, forming hypotheses, even assisting in experiment design. Business intelligence and operations, automating complex workflows, deeper market analysis, creating more sophisticated customer service agents. Content creation, generating high-quality, long-form creative content, scripts, and detailed reports with more natural prose. Education, personalized tutoring systems that can understand and adapt to students' needs at a much deeper level. Building more sophisticated tools to assist individuals with disabilities. Naturally, everyone wants to know, how does Claude 4 stack up against models like OpenAI's GPT series or Google's Gemini? While direct, exhaustive head-to-head comparisons are still emerging, Anthropic is confidently positioning Opus 4 at the very top, especially in coding and complex reasoning benchmark. Key differentiators seem to be this focus on agentic capabilities, the hybrid reasoning, and the sheer power in coding tasks. Anthropic has always emphasized AI safety and creating helpful, harmless, and honest systems. And this philosophy continues with Claude 4, including safety mechanisms like AI safety level 3 protections. So how can you get your hands on Claude 4? Anthropic is making Opus 4 and Sonnet 4 available through various channels. Anthropic API for developers looking to integrate these models into their own applications. Amazon Bedrock, seamless access for AWS, Google Clouds, Vertex AI, another major cloud platform offering these cutting-edge models. Claude Plan Sonnet 4 is even available on Claude's free plan, with both models on paid plans. What does this mean for the future? The pace of AI development is breathtaking. Claude 4 represents a significant step towards more capable, reliable, and potentially autonomous AI systems. It will undoubtedly spur further innovation and competition, which ultimately benefits all of us. We're moving from AI as a tool to AI as a true collaborator. Opus 4 with Opus 4 and Sonnet 4 is not just an update, it's a statement. Anthropic has thrown down the gauntlet, showcasing incredible advancements in coding, reasoning, and the potential for sophisticated AI agents. The implications are vast, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of what these models can do. What are your thoughts on Claude 4? Are you excited, concerned, or a bit of both? What applications are you most looking forward to seeing? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this deep dive helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more cutting-edge AI content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. We'll be tracking the impact of Claude 4 closely and bringing you all the latest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.